Hello everybody, how's everybody doing? This is Dr. Rocks kicking back with the Pounding Rocks Truck Shop channel here on YouTube. And I was bored and something put a bug in my ear and said, you want USB and Double Dare XL and probably every other truck you own now. So I came across this and I thought this was a great idea. Last year, I bought this off of Amazon. It was like 15 bucks or whatever. It had 12 volt marine style socket in it. It was supposed to be like a single DIN mount kind of thing, and I didn't really succeed in getting it to install the way I wanted it to. I wanted to install it in the lower cubby hole, and I probably have, if I had more talent, I probably could have come up with something like this. If you don't recognize one of these, if you this is a center stack cover for a 1991 Nissan Hardbody. They're the same from 1986 and a half until 1993 when they switch over to the round dash, and then there was a different center stack cover for it. This one is out of La Rouge, the red Hardbody, but it's the same as what's in Double Dare XL. So I'm just experimenting with this, and I'm really pleased with the results. It's really simple to do, and I won't waste too much of your time going over the theory of it and all that. You can buy this, or you can probably just buy the USB port style like this right off of Amazon for probably less than 10 bucks. They come with a cover, which I'm not going with because it doesn't really fit all that well. But basically, you want to pop out the original cigarette lighter. Unless you're a smoker, no one's really going to use this other than to charge their phone or whatever, if you're even doing that. I mean, if you're putting a USB adapter in this, you might as well just go to one of these. So it's close fit, but you got to take a round file. I just used this old school file I got in an auction for, with a pile of files, and you just go around the perimeter of the hole until this just drops in, and then there's a nut on the back of it that you just use to tighten it down, and done. Other than that, the only other thing you want to do is you're gonna lop off the connector. Now, if you're a purist, you're not going to want to do that. But if you, in my circumstance, I don't care. I'm just going to lop off the connector and put 2 spade terminals on the existing wires. And then they're just going to go right on these spade terminals themselves. Done. I'll have 12 volts here, and I can charge my phone and charge 2 phones or whatever right off that. And it just brings this truck closer to the 21st century, well, as close as this truck will be to the 21st century. You could technically add anything to that location that's along the lines of these, just by opening that hole up just a little bit. You can put the volt gauge in there. That'll fit once you open it up, and you can have a volt gauge right there if you want. My truck's already got a volt gauge on the battery box. You can have this power switch. I mean, they're the same size hole for all these items. So once you open up this big enough, they'll all drop in. So there you go. For any little how-to to add convenient USB ports to the factory location in your hardbody. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave me a comment down below, and be sure to tune in to all the other videos. I've got 400 videos up here now. Thanks. See ya.